Hey guys, Will back, Will Shop Dayton, and I'm back with the 2004 Nissan Sentra 1.8, and today we're changing out the PCV valve. As you can see, I already changed it out, but it didn't save, so I'm redoing it. So that's my very bad PCV valve, and I would change these out. They're cheap and expensive, and on this car, very easy to get to. So what you're gonna need is a 19 millimeter wrench and maybe some pliers or some needle nose or something. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna start by moving this clip right here. That clip out the way, put it right there. Then you're gonna move that clip back out the hose. It's pretty easy, it's not. Then you're gonna pop that hose off. So just be a little wiggle, but guess since I just put it on, oh man, it's really on there. Sometimes you might need those. And get that off. And you're gonna take the 19 millimeter, get it on there like that. And break it loose. Get it in there. Break it loose. And break it loose. I'm interested to look at this. I am going to take it all the way off because I just put it on. I just want to see in the little time that I ran it, how much, how clean is it, how dirty is it. Just, you normally don't take them off again, but I had a chance to look at it. So let's see, that should be good enough. Yep, loosen it by hand. Maybe. There we go. I said I was going to use gloves, but I didn't. There we go. By hand. Let's see. Oh man, that's still super clean, especially compared to what we took out of there. That is night and day, and we get to see it with a little bit of use. I mean, look at that. That's not going to work. So let's go ahead and install. Just take it. You don't need any anti-seize or anything. Just hand tighten it. Don't misthread it. You do not want to misthread it. There you go. And tighten it till you can't anymore. And if you're working on the Sentra, when you're tightening it up, watch for this little point as how you turn it, because you can't get kind of stuck in there. Just trying to get around that way. See what I mean? See how you kind of get wedged between there? See? So you want to kind of be careful with your turns. You don't want to go the whole way. And tight. A little tighter. You do not want to over tighten this. I'm just getting it really well. Good. And maybe one more quarter turn. Good. It's pretty much that. No more. Don't want to over tighten it. And then you're going to reinstall your hose. Boop. Take your clamp. In the same spot. And reattach your plug. And there you go. And that's how you change your PCV valve on a 2004 Nissan Sentra 1.8. Pretty easy. I would check the service manual. I think someone just told me like every 20,000 miles they should change them. So about every 20,000 miles. It's cheap, preventative maintenance, and it keeps your car running well. I appreciate everybody, all my subscribers, everybody. Definitely check out the spark plug video that I'm going to be doing, and definitely check out the crank sensor video. All right, peace.